Hey guys, it's me again, and on my last video when I was showing this, I was asked to show you how I add more paper into the ring bound. So I've cut this paper for this small one. I just measured the paper. It's 4 1/8 by 5 1/2. So I've cut my grid paper because that's what I'm going to use for this. And I'm tearing out a page from a previous week that I don't need anymore. And then what I'm going to do is set that on top of the paper. Looks like the paper was it was a little bit bigger than 4 1/8, but whatever. So I'm just going to put that in the middle of it. And you can use clips or clamps or paper clips. I guess that's the same thing as a clip, huh? To hold the paper, because sometimes it can move on you. And then I'm just going to take a regular hole punch because this particular binding will fit the regular hole punch. And I'm just going to hole punch where the other holes were. And okay. So now I can take off the clips and the little binder or the page thing here. And now I'm going to do is take my scissors, let me see if and I'm just going to cut into that circle and take a little notch out of it. So there's just a sliver of paper gone. I'm going to make this one just a little bit bigger so you can see. You see? I'm just going to do that on all of them. It doesn't really, I mean, you want to try to get it into the center of the circle, but honestly, I've had them pretty much on the side before and it still works. This will work with any ring bound planner. The only thing is like when you have a square bound, like the holes in the paper or rectangle or whatever, that's a little harder to do if your hole punch isn't the same size as the rectangle, because then the coils won't go through. Those are the only ones that are a little difficult to do. If you have smaller holes, you can use the crocodile because it has a smaller hole on it. And so I have all of those with a little slit in them now. And then I'm just going to open up my planner here. I don't want it on the last one. I'm going to put it between the dot and the line, and all I'm going to do is push those little edges. Oh, I'm going off the screen here. Let's see if I can get closer. I'm just pushing the paper into the rings, and now it's in there. So that's all you do. So anytime you want to add pages, you just cut them to the size, punch holes, make your little notches in the paper, and you're ready to go. So I hope that answered your questions. Not questions, but I hope that showed you how to do it. And have a good day, guys. Bye.